Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll be doing least common multiple word problems. Before starting, I recommend to check out my previous video where I explain how do we find the least common multiple. Now let's get started. So the question says, two pitching machines are firing balls, one every 20 seconds and one every 50 seconds. If they both fire the balls simultaneously, that means together, at 1 p.m., then when will they fire the ball together? Now, if we think about this question, I told you we're doing least common multiple word problems, so it's easy. You know we have to find the least common multiple between 20 and 50, and that would give us the time when they fire the ball together. But what if I hadn't told you that it is an LCM question? Then you would have to reason through the question. And you would think, what time do they both fire together? You have to list out several times for each of them and find the same one. So let's start with that. So let's list out the multiples for 20 on the left and the multiples for 50 on the right. So 20 times 1 is equal to 20. 20 times 2, 40, times 3, 60, times 4, 80, and I'm going to stop at 5. 20 times 5 is 100. Now let's find out the multiples for 50. 50 times 1, 50. 50 times 2, 100. 50 times 3. Well, I'm going to stop before writing 50 times 3. Immediately, I notice that I have a common multiple, 100. We have 100 here, and we have 100 here. So I don't even need to move on here. I got the multiple that the time that these fire together once again. So according to listing out the multiples, we get that they're gonna fire the ball together after 100 seconds. And make sure you pay attention to the units, because that could trick you sometimes. But this way to find out can take a lot of time in other questions. And in this video here, I showed you guys how to find a shortcut. And that's what we're going to do for this question. So if we use the shortcut, we're going to make this table-like thing. I'm going to start with 2. That gives us 10 and 25. Then I'm going to go with 5. So I get 2 and 5. Go with 2 again, get 1 and 5. And then 5 again with 1 and 1. And then we have to multiply this side right here. So we get 2 times 5 times 2 times 5, which breaks down to 10 times 10, which is 100 seconds, which we got in the previous slide, but much quicker. Now, if I'm going to convert this into minutes, so this is 100 seconds, but I want to write it in the time. So that's going to be, 100 seconds equals to 1 minute and 40 seconds. And that works because 1 minute is 60 seconds, and that's 40 seconds, which gives us 100 seconds. So then I just write that in the form of this. So that would be 1 p.m., 1 minute, and 40 seconds. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, Algebra Star, or visit algebrastar.com. Once again, thanks and stay safe.